Welcome to the Advanced Professional Profile Enhancer, your smart solution to improving your professional online presence. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. This is another giveaway from the Decoder AI team. In today's competitive job market, having a standout LinkedIn profile is more important than ever. It not only showcases your professional history and accomplishments but also reflects your personal brand. Understanding this, we've developed the Advanced Professional Profile Enhancer, an innovative tool designed to help you optimize every aspect of your LinkedIn profile. From improving your headline to enhancing your endorsements, our app analyzes and scores your profile, providing personalized feedback and actionable suggestions for improvement. Now, let's take a closer look at how you can use this powerful tool to transform your LinkedIn profile into a compelling narrative that resonates with recruiters and networking opportunities. First, let's download your LinkedIn profile. Open LinkedIn and navigate to your profile. Look for the More button near the top section of your profile page. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Save to PDF. Your profile will now be downloaded to your device. Once you have your profile PDF, open the Advanced Professional Profile Enhancer app. Here, you'll upload your PDF file by selecting the Upload Profile button on the main screen. Simply choose your file, and let's get to enhancing your professional footprint. After uploading your profile, our app analyzes it across several key areas: headline, summary, experience, skills and endorsements, recommendations, education, accomplishments, and engagement. Sit tight as we generate your comprehensive profile score.
That's it. You're now equipped with insights to elevate your LinkedIn profile. Remember, a stronger profile leads to better professional opportunities. Thank you for using the Advanced Professional Profile Enhancer. Enhance, engage, and excel.